Hey my loves, welcome or welcome back. If you're new here, hi, I am Indu, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you all this super quick Valentine's Day look which is like perfect for a brunch or lunch date. So let's begin. So as usual, I'm gonna start with a primer, and for which I'm using Colorbar Primer water. I believe it is in the rose variant, so I'm gonna just dab it all over my face and then move on to some color correcting, for which I'm using LA Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. This has like a peachy undertone to it, so it helps to counteract all the like hyperpigmentation and dark spots which I have all over my face like most women do. Firstly, I'm gonna just blend it out using my fingers, and then I'll move on to my damp sponge and then give it a final blend so that all the excess product is just picked up by the sponge and I am not left with a cakey face. Okay, so next I'm gonna move on to my foundation, and for that I'm using e.l.f. Flawless Satin Foundation in the shade Vanilla. However, if you are around my skin tone, don't pick up this shade because clearly this is a wrong shade for me, because I purchased it online and guess what, that's a every girl's story. So anyways, I'm gonna have to work it out. However, luckily it also oxidizes a bit on me, so yeah, it's not that bad to be honest. Next, I'm gonna just set my face quickly because this foundation and the concealer both creases a lot, so you have to set your face really good. Alright, so next I'm gonna fill up my brows, which I'm doing after ages. I know. I'm gonna use this eyeshadow shade to fill up my brows, and I'm doing it in the usual way. You can see the way I'm doing it, and I only make sure to not apply too much product on the front portion of my brows, so that way it makes the brows look more natural and bushy, and the goal is the bushier the merrier. So yeah. Okay, so next I'm gonna use this white eyeshadow shade and like sort of clean up my brows and also apply it all over my lids so that it gives like a clean base for my eyeshadow. And for that I'll be using this blush, which is from Colorbar Matte Illusion in the shade Flushed Satin, and I'm gonna just simply apply it all over my lids and on the lower lash line as well. Then I'm gonna take this pink shade, which is like a tad bit darker than the previous shade, and apply it on my lid space area and blend it out. Alright, so next I'm gonna use this shade and use it as my liner. I'm gonna follow my natural lash line and also wing out a little bit from the outer corners. I'm not gonna wing it out from the inner corners, just on the outer corners, and giving the eyes like an elongated look. After that, I'm gonna use my liner. This is the e.l.f. pen liner, and I'm gonna just simply like very close to my lash line apply that liner and also tight lining it up a little bit, and then I'm gonna curl my lashes and give my eyelashes a good coat of mascara. This is the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara, the OG. And then I'm gonna take a clean spoolie and like sort of take out all the excess mascara so that it gives like a natural fluttery lash look. Then I'll just finish up my base makeup, and I'm using the same blush for my blush. And then I'm gonna use this highlighter from Nykaa Glow Getter highlighting palette in the shade 24K Glam, and I'm gonna use that illuminating shade, which is like in a rose gold shade, and apply it on the usual areas, which is usually for me my forehead, on my temples, on my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, on my chin, and on my inner corners. I quickly just wanted to mention that I'll also be doing like a glam look for Valentine's Day, which is going to be like a date night look. So stay tuned for that if you're looking for date night looks. For today's makeup look, I'm not going to be using any bronzer or contouring product because I wanted my face or my makeup to look very fresh and like girly and all of that sorts. So however, if you want, you can obviously use bronzer or whatever you want. Next, I'm going to finish up my look with some lipstick. This is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade 157. And yes, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video, and it was quite easy and quick to do. I wanted it to be very easy to do. If you like it, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And yeah, I'm gonna see you in my next Valentine's Day makeup look. Till then, take care and bye.